What's up?
Hello boys and girls, my name is Mu and today I will show you how I created a generative art NFT collection on Ethereum blockchain and listed it on OpenSea. I did it on Ethereum, but you can do it on any other Solidity based EVM blockchain. Basically, to make it a little easier to understand what we gotta talk about, I divided the topic into three different parts. The first one will be design, what makes a good collectible, how to position layers and traits and stuff like that. The second one would be generation of the files, taking those layers, compounding them together and receiving a PNG file and a JSON file in the end. The JSON is going to contain all the information on traits and descriptions and stuff. And the third one is, Web3. It's basically a combination of IPFS, which crypto people often use as a cloud storage for their NFTs, the smart contracts written on Solidity, and MetaMask we're gonna use to interact and to make a site that will be interacting with our smart contract. So let's start out with design. I'm definitely not a pro at this, so just let's have as much fun as possible. I start out by doing a common type boy, as common as possible, divided into layers so it will be easy for me to do the traits and just work on the collection at the same time. Here is a little exponential function to show how hard it will be to mint, a unique boy, a rare one, and how easy it will be to mint a common. Just for fun, I decided, and in case, I'm gonna gamify this collection, I decided to create all possible roles of a society, including, food producers, farmers, medical, law enforcement, and government boys. Put in some secrets like secret societies or Church of 42, and bam, we're ready to go. We have our common boys, a little bit rare ones. I decided to add some zombies, vampires, angels, demons, and all kinds of other guys, and unique ones are the ones that gonna just look really different. Okay, now let's generate some NFTs. First, we're gonna create a simple editor that will let us manually choose all the traits. We do an array of all the traits and their names in JavaScript, and we're gonna need them anyway so we can see the traits on OpenSea. Do some JavaScript coding and we see that the editor is working. Nice. Next, we're gonna make a little more complicated application that's gonna generate the NFTs randomly, assemble them, save PNG file on disk in a folder, and also compile a JSON file with all information on traits and other details. We try it out, see that everything works as intended, we create random PNGs and JSON. So now let's create a testnet collection. We generate and upload images to Pinata, then we take link to each one of those images and we put them into JSON file, saving them and uploading them to Pinata again. I press my magic button and my super application does that all for me. In the end, I just receive one IPFS link that I'm gonna put in my smart contract. Talking of the devil, let's do the Web3 part. We start out by importing OpenZeppelin contracts. OpenZeppelin is a great company that just standardize Solidity code so you don't make stupid mistakes. I just copy their code. Also, I take some references from OpenSea and use them as well. So I'm sure that OpenSea will understand what my collection is all about. I upload it, mint some NFTs, list myself on OpenSea testnet, as we can see, it works as intended. Nice. Next, we need to take the ABI of our smart contract and create a little simple site so we will be able to mint from the site. I just create this fun little animation with randomly generated characters for fun. Next, I add some Web3 MetaMask support so you can actually mint the NFTs and interact with the site through MetaMask in your browser. Seems that it works fine. Nice. Okay, so before launching on mainnet, let's recap. We generate our NFT images and upload them to IPFS. Then we take links to those images, inject them into JSON files, and upload those files to IPFS2. We get a link to a folder containing our files, and we put it in our smart contract that we publish on the blockchain, meaning that our smart contract has a reference to JSON files that have a reference to our PNG files. Sounds a bit complicated, but if you find out how to do it easier, let me know. When we're done with all that, we can take our smart contract address and just add it to OpenSea. Okay, after some additions and testing, we publish the smart contract on blockchain, check the address that everything is fine. If you're interested, the fee was about 150 bucks. Yeah, then I create a GitHub, a Twitter page, add some information, spam some messages in there to create some awareness. We published the site, and now it's time to fulfill the promise I made at the beginning to list ourselves on OpenSea. It's actually very easy. We go to My Collections, we press on three dots and press Import the smart contract. We press Live on mainnet, publish our NFT address from the contract, and voila. I decided to make a reveal. For this particular collection, you receive a letter from Mary Jane. Each letter is actually unique, it's randomly composed in JavaScript, and when all NFTs, I think this one is 420 NFTs will be minted, there will be a reveal. So thanks guys, if you like this video, put a thumbs up, whatever, subscribe. If you don't though, I'm gonna make even more videos. Thank you my boys, and I'll see you later. Bye.